Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware. Identify the laptop port and the SSD interface, because using the wrong cable or passive adapter wastes time. Once done, attach the SSD to a compatible enclosure or adapter that supports the drive's bus and power. Make sure the cable supports data, not charge only. Plug the SSD in while the laptop is awake. Allow a few seconds for enumeration. If prompted by a device installer, let Windows or Mac OS install drivers so the system can see the drive. Next, you prepare the drive logically. Open Disk Management on Windows or Disk Utility on Mac OS to locate the new device. If the disk is uninitialized, choose GPT for modern UEFI systems or MBR only if you need legacy support. This choice affects boot and partition limits. Then create a partition and format it to the file system you need. XFAT for cross-platform, NTFS for Windows, Apps for Mac OS. Assign a drive letter or mount point and enable trim where available to maintain performance. Finish by verifying functionality. Copy a large file to and from the SSD to confirm stable read/write and observe transfer rates. Use a simple benchmark if you want quantitative results. Once satisfied, include the drive in your backup plan if it will hold important data, and always eject or unmount before disconnecting to avoid corruption. If the OS doesn't recognize the drive, try a different cable or port. Connect external power if available, update drivers or firmware, and reinitialize the disk as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.